Okay guys, today with that little JIABAILE Jeep 136 scale, I was gonna try to go through my freshly built off-road course and see how it can do. Pretty much to build something like that, you see, I use it whatever I can find it around the house, and I'm glad I did. It's so much fun. Some obstacles a little bit too big, maybe, but that Jeep is really capable. Look at that. Unbelievable how capable. And plus, I mean, I'm not professional. I'm just playing with the truck for like 10-15 minutes already. So I mean, so far, I don't know all tricks how to make it climb very well. But look at that. Unbelievable. Also, I already did slightly modify it. I removed the spare tire with bracket and 4 screws. Pretty much this wheel assembly with bracket is like 6-7 gram truck become lighter. Plus it's light. I take it weight from back. Now the front end does respond much better. By saying that, when you're going up a really steep approach, I mean, before, a lot of time the front wheel is gonna be in air. By removing that extra weight, it looks like it's much better off-road capable. Wow guys, look at that. It's so much fun. Unbelievable. Let's go back, backward that whole course and see how well we can do it. It's amazing. It's really amazing. Look at that. I turned the headlights on. I'm not sure if camera is gonna pick it up because the camera sits in a different angle, but it's quite neat. And headlights, you can control it from remote. Of course, in the reverse, I mean, it's going much easy. That thing's so much fun. I didn't believe it. I will have that much fun with a little off-road Jeep. Let me get one more time. Well, pretty much, yeah. If you're looking for something, some little tiny off-roading Jeep, I mean any off-roading vehicle, this Jeep probably is the best way to go, because it's only like $55 on Amazon, which is not much, and but it has so much fun. I still running right now. I'm first battery charge. It's probably gonna last like 40 to 30 minutes for sure. Look at that. The more I ride it through that course, of course, the better I get. But unbelievable. No, little too. Oh. Let's see if it's gonna fail it. No, I was gonna make it most likely. Unbelievable. It's so much fun. I mean, it's it's really worth it. Every penny what the truck cost. Let's see if it can climb back. Yep. And here is probably, I should say, maybe around 30 degrees or so, and climbs no problem. And yeah, it's really awesome. Well guys, pretty much that's all I got for this video. I hope it was kind of interesting, enjoyable, and I always saying that I hope it's enjoyable, but in this case I hope you guys did enjoy it as much as I do. Yeah, it's a mind-blowing. Thank you guys, and see you in next video.